52 days after they started, the wall was done. No army, no miracles, and enemies ready to kill them. Even the enemies realized that this work had been done with the help of our God. He stayed in Jerusalem for about 12 years. He did make the people worship the true God in an organized public way while he was there, but the pattern was not yet fully internalized in their hearts. Then he returned to Persia. After likely staying in Persia for a few years, he returned to Jerusalem the second time and found everything had completely fallen apart. And what he saw crushed him completely. Jerusalem is his life's work, the wall he built brick by brick, the city he wept for before he rebuilt it. And it's a disaster. His chief enemy, Tobiah, is literally living inside the temple. The priests haven't been paid. The Sabbath has become a marketplace. Everything he built, not the wall, but the culture, the covenant, the people, is crumbling. What does a great leader do when the people he sacrificed everything for throw it all away the moment he turns his back? You'd expect a measured response, a wise elder statesman delivering a firm but gracious correction. Instead,